Number 1. 1949 Ford Sedan Netflix car, $11,900, Vista, California. Offered at $11,900 in Vista, California, this 1949 Ford Sedan gained added attention from its appearance in the Netflix series Monster: The Ed Gein Story, giving it unique Hollywood appeal. It is powered by a 239 cubic inch flathead V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column, representing the dependable post-war American sedan formula of the late 1940s. Restored for the production, it received extensive updates including new paint, chrome interior, carburetor, 12-volt alternator conversion, exhaust, fuel system components, clutch, flywheel, brakes, and wiring. The seller recently drove it more than 300 miles without issue. With a clean title, registration valid until February 2027, and added seatbelts, this is a turnkey vintage driver with screen history. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet Camaro V8, $11,600, Deming, New Mexico. Priced at $11,600 in Deming, New Mexico, this 1985 Chevrolet Camaro represents the third generation of Chevrolet's iconic pony car. Equipped with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive, this example blends 1980s performance with period luxury features. It comes loaded with desirable options including removable T-top roof panels, power mirrors, power steering, power seats, power windows, power door locks, power antenna, air conditioning, adjustable controls, and even a factory built-in flashlight. The swivel radio cassette player adds a nostalgic touch. With 85,000 miles and a clean title, this white Camaro appears well cared for and is offered at a reduced price for a quick sale. The 1985 model year remains popular among enthusiasts who appreciate the squared-off styling and analog driving feel of the era. Number 3. 1963 Ford Thunderbird, $12,000, Scappoose, Oregon. Available for $12,000 in Scappoose, Oregon, this 1963 Ford Thunderbird is a semi-modified example of the third-generation Thunderbird, often referred to as the Bullet Bird, due to its sleek styling. Powered by the original 390 cubic inch big block V8 paired with the Cruise-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, it retains its core factory drivetrain. The body is described as very straight, and the car features a brand new interior and carpet, along with American Racing 20-inch black and chrome billet wheels and new tires. Modern touches such as blue halo headlamps add a custom flair. While it runs and drives, it does require attention to the power steering unit, heating system, and air conditioning hookup. With a clean title and solid bones, this Thunderbird offers strong potential as a stylish cruiser that can be further refined for reliability. Number 4. 1956 Oldsmobile Holiday 88, $18,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. Listed at $18,000 in Las Vegas, Nevada, this 1956 Oldsmobile Holiday 88 reflects 1950s performance styling. It now runs a 350 cubic inch V8 with a turbo 400 automatic transmission for improved drivability. Features include power steering with tilt, heater, newer fuel lines, and an auxiliary electric fuel pump. Owned by the same family for about 25 years, it needs tires and minor suspension updates, but is described as a good running cruiser with a clean title and vibrant purple finish. Number 5. 1964 Chevrolet Impala, $18,000, Phoenix, Arizona. Offered at $18,000 in Phoenix, Arizona, this 1964 Chevrolet Impala is one of the most recognized full-size cars of the 1960s. It has a rebuilt 283 cubic inch V8 and rebuilt 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. Showing 50,000 miles with a clean title, it runs and drives and includes all trim pieces. While listed in fair condition, the mechanical updates make it a solid foundation with proven small block reliability. Number 6. 1967 Triumph TR4A independent rear suspension, $17,000, Eagle Rock, California. Priced at $17,000 in Eagle Rock, California, this 1967 Triumph TR4A with independent rear suspension is a desirable version of the classic British Roadster. Equipped with a 2,100 cubic centimeter inline 4-cylinder engine, dual SU carburetors, and a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers the engaging, lightweight driving experience Triumph is known for. This California black plate car is described as rust-free and largely original, with one repaint in its original color. It features wire wheels with new tires, front disc brakes, new brake lines and master cylinder, new fuel pump, renewed fuel tank, new rear hubs and bearings, and a new convertible top. The independent rear suspension improves ride and handling compared to earlier models. While the dashboard pad shows cracks and the driver's seat seam is split, overall condition appears excellent. For enthusiasts of classic European sports cars, this TR4A represents a pure and enjoyable open-top driving experience. Bakersfield, California. Number 7. 1962 Pontiac Bonneville, $18,000, Bakersfield, California. This 1962 Pontiac Bonneville is listed at $18,000 in Bakersfield, California. Built in Southgate, California, and remaining in California its entire life, this largely original example shows 62,277 original miles and includes extensive documentation dating back to the first owner. Powered by a 389 cubic inch V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission, it features power steering, power brakes, and functioning lights, gauges, and original radio. The chrome is reported to be in impressive condition for its age. The car does require some attention, including possible carburetor adjustment or vacuum leak diagnosis, brake master cylinder replacement, and interior seam repairs. As a largely unmodified California car with minimal rust and documented history, this Bonneville holds strong collector appeal. Number 8. 1968 American Motors AMX 390 Go Pack, $20,000 Littleton, Colorado. Offered at $20,000 in Littleton, Colorado, this 1968 American Motors AMX 390 Go Pack is a serious muscle car. The AMX was American Motors Corporation's 2-seat performance model, competing directly with larger manufacturers during the muscle car era. This example features a rebuilt matching numbers 390 cubic inch engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and original automatic transmission. It includes air conditioning, power steering, original tachometer, competition headers, and minimal rust aside from the passenger side floorboard. Stored for over 10 years, it also comes with new headliner and carpet in the box. With its laurel green original color and black interior, this AMX combines rarity, strong V8 performance, and collectible status on late 1960s muscle cars. Top 1984 Cadillac Seville. Number 9, 1984 Cadillac Seville, $18,500, Harker Heights, Texas. Priced at $18,500 in Harker Heights, Texas, this 1984 Cadillac Seville reflects Cadillac's push toward more European-influenced luxury styling in the 1980s. Powered by a V8 engine with automatic transmission and front-wheel drive, it shows just 49,900 miles. Finished in brown and described in excellent condition with a clean title, this Seville represents a well-preserved luxury sedan from the era. The second-generation Seville is appreciated for its distinctive bustle back design and high level of comfort features. With low mileage and strong presentation, this example appeals to collectors who appreciate original condition luxury cars from the 1980s. Number 10, 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 Convertible, $23,500, Monrovia, California. Listed at $23,500 in Monrovia, California, this 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 Convertible is a restored example with significant mechanical upgrades. It is powered by a newly rebuilt 390 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, aluminum radiator, and electronic ignition system. The rebuilt C6 automatic transmission, power steering, and power disc brakes enhance drivability. The car features headers, new exhaust system, 18-inch US mag wheels, and a rust-free Arizona body with straight panels and quality paintwork. The power convertible top operates properly, and the interior is described as clean and free of tears. The Galaxie 500 was a full-size performance cruiser in the 1960s. And this example blends show-quality presentation with strong road manners, making it suitable for both car shows and weekend cruising.